Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Update tayo. Ito talaga ang pinaka-iconic statement at comment na nag-iisang Pure Energy Gary V ng Pilipinas, isang legendary OPM tungkol sa kanyang reaction at nakasama ang SB19 sa isang show. Talaga namang ito ay tatak na tatak sa mga 18. Of course, para sa SB19 boys na mula sa isang legendary OPM na si Mr. Pure Energy, Gary V ang komento. Pretty sure yan ang nasabi ni Mr. Gary V sa SB19 dahil sobrang sikat, may charisma, yung energy sobrang taas, may hatak at super talented at a very young age. Yan ang ibig sabihin niyang pretty sure makasama ang SB19, talagang paghandaan at marunong makisabay sa kanilang energy habang nag-perform sa mga tao, lalo na sa mga 18.
How does it feel working with SB19?
And how was it like?
Pressure. No, because they, because of their name and who they are. When I get caught up with going into the rehearsal studio and seeing them, and they have touches of who they are. Me, I just go into the rehearsal studio, nakaganito lang ako. But when you see Ken, when you see Josh come in and Pablo, and then you see Stel. I mean, and then Justin, who's very quiet, and all.
Diba, masarap lang pakinggan ang kwento ni Mr. Pure Energy, Gary V. Sabi niya, SB19 had a name. So, ibig sabihin, nakaka-pressure makasama at maka-perform ang SB19 sa world stage, o diba?